Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Smith here from Hidden Garden Oasis. Welcome to my house of cards. I'm hoping you guys can see. As you can see, I fixed my camera. Gonna kind of tilt you. Yes, that is a giant dollhouse behind me. That is my grandbabies. Alright, so today we are going to make some herbal bug repellent bug spray. So what you're going to need is grapeseed oil. I don't know why my labels come off. I have organic grapeseed oil, some witch hazel. Okay, and I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description. You're going to need citronella essential oil, which everyone knows. If you know bug repellent, citronella is the thing. Need to get me some citronella plants going outside. A eucalyptus essential oil, a lemongrass essential oil. I do have some of that outside, and some cedarwood essential oil. And then after you get it all mixed up, you are going to want to put it in a spray bottle. I have glass spray bottles. I have gloves because I'm not just making this for myself. I'm making this for the website and for the boxes for this month. So I'm going to be wearing gloves. If you're making for yourself, of course you don't have to unless you want to. A little note card. Remember I told you guys I always put all my recipes on a note card. So I am going to glove up. I have my measuring cup. It's just easier to pour into these dropper bottles or spray bottles if you have it in something that pours easily. So I use my glass measuring cup, and I can measure at the same time. And then I have my little stainless steel funnel. So I'm going to move these off to the side for now. We're just going to chill out in the dollhouse. Don't worry. She loves to help me mom make medicine, so I'm sure she'd be fine with me using her dollhouse to put or spray bottles in. Okay, so we are going to start with, this is going to be a small amount. I'm going to have to, of course, make it bigger for the ones that I'm for sale, but I'm just going to follow the recipe, and again, you can double it if you want.